Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to solve the arithmetic progression. Given the question says find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. This one is the sum of arithmetic progression, is not the AP. This is the sum of AP. And given the questions 2, 4, 6 and 8, let's find the first term. The first term, which is A, is equals to 2. The number that comes first is the first term, which is the difference is, you can obtain difference by subtracting 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, or 8 minus 6 is 2. Then the n they ask to find is 20. Okay. Then the next thing to do, we can use the formula as the formula given is equals to, the formula given is Sn is equals n over 20 n over 2 open bracket 2a plus open bracket n minus 1. That's the common difference given. Hey babu, then this is equals to, since the formula, we write the formula, let's substitute. The a we find in the question is 2, the d is 2. We obtain from the question by subtracting 8 minus 6, 6 minus 4, and so on and so forth. Then the n given is 20. That's the sum of the arithmetic progression. The asked to find is 20. And now Sn, we have S20 is equals to, the n here is 20 all over 2 open bracket 2 times the first term here is 2 plus, that is the n here is 20 minus 1. The common difference is 2 also. Then this is equals to 10 open bracket 2 times 2 here is 4 plus open bracket 20 minus 1, this is 19. 19 times 2. Okay, then we have, this is equals to 10 into 19 times 2. Here is equals to 38. That is 4 plus 38. This is equals to 10. That is equals to 10. You can say this is equals to 10 into 4 plus 38. This is 42. 42. Then 20 equals to 10 times 42. That is 420. That is the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. Given this number equals 420. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos.